Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a nursery tour of my baby girl's nursery. So let's get started. I am going to start over here at her door. Right above her door, we have a little love heart. To the left, there is a really pretty quote. I love that. Most of the stuff we got either at Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. That was from Hobby Lobby. And then her measure height was from her baby shower, so I'm not quite for sure where that came from. And then below it, we have her toy chest. This was actually homemade by one of my parents' friends. He did a really beautiful job, really pretty detailing on it. And then in here, we just have some of her toys and her books. To the left, we have her closet, and above her closet is a Sweet Dreams sign. That one is from Hobby Lobby. I'll just do a quick overview of her closet. It's very messy. Once I get it organized, I'll do a more in-depth tour of it. To the left of her closet, there is a basket full of all of her blankets. This blanket we have hanging off of her crib. Her grandma made this one, so we just have that hanging there. The flowers were from my mom. Not quite for sure where she got those. The picture, the bunny picture, is from Hobby Lobby. And then there's just a dream catcher up in the top corner. That is from her aunt. She got it in Arizona. And then we have her crib. I love her crib. Her crib, I believe we ordered it off of Target. And then we have her little baby monitor over there in the corner. A little mobile we got from her baby shower. It plays music. It moves. It does shushing noises. Juliana loves it. Sorry, I just have her onesie for bed in there. And then this little guy is super cute. It's just double-sided. Hobby Lobby. The netting in her crib I ordered off of Amazon. And then her little carpet we got from Home Depot. To the left of her crib is a big flower that was from her baby shower. And then we have her playpen. She's not quite in the walking stage or crawling stage, really. She's only 3 months, so she hasn't really been using this, but we just have it over here in the corner. And we have her stuffed animals in it for now, and a little body carrier. On the wall here, I just have a sign. It says, "Live each day as if anything is possible." That was one of the first pictures I actually got her when I found out I was pregnant. To the left, we have her window. Her fabric on her curtain rods is from Joann Fabric. And then we just have like a couple headbands and little wings hanging up top. On her windowsill, we have a little Marine doll and an Army doll. Her dad's a Marine and her aunt's an Army, so she got those for her. Super cute. And then this guy here is a little giraffe piggy bank that her daddy painted for her. Those two we got at Hobby Lobby. Sorry, I can't talk. This here is a little crystal heart filled with flower petals, and the flower petals were some flowers that my fiance used to propose to me. And then I actually made this little doll for her the same day Sam made the giraffe. Down here, we have a wooden basket type thing. My friend Addie made it for me for our baby shower, and in here I just keep her clothes that she's outgrown, stuff that I need to bring to the garage and put in a container. And then to the left we have this little art piece hanging on the wall that my mom made for her. And then we have her car seat and her diaper bag, which I'll be doing a what's in my diaper bag soon. If not, if I haven't already, I'll link it in the description. And then we have her hamper. This was from Home Goods. Up top, we just have two like little bookshelves from Hobby Lobby, just with some stuffed animals. Those two were from Hobby Lobby. Those two are from her grandparents. Just some stuffed animals. More stuffed animals. A lot of these were given from like gifts or from the baby shower. And then books. And this one here. And then below it is her changing pad. The lamp we got from Home Goods. Her trash can, just a normal trash can. Tin was from Home Goods. Her diapers warmer was a gift from our friend Addie and Jared. And then her changing pad was a gift from her baby shower. And we just have this here pillow on it, which she's starting to like wiggle around and grab it when we're changing her. So I think it's about time that we get rid of this, but I'll just keep it there for right now. And then her little changing pad station was got at Target, and I just got some handles from Home Goods, screwed those on there. I'll just do a quick overview of her dresser. We have diapers, wipes, lotions, diaper cream. And this one we have her passies, her hats, her bibs, and her burp cloths. And then in the last one is just all of her pants. And then over to the left we have a picture that I had created for her the same day that my mom made hers. And then the final finale is her beautiful chandelier. I love her chandelier. Her dad and his uncle actually installed all of this. There was no light fixture in this room. So it's very beautiful. I love it. The chandelier was bought in at, I believe, the Home Depot. And then they installed it and everything. It's so beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed her room tour. Here in the next couple videos, I'll probably get her on and show you her. She's so precious. I love her so much. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day.